This is our 2.4 rustic folding table, or 10-seater rustic folding table. The table is built with style in mind. It has a beautiful, elegant design. The natural grain, knots, imperfections and patterns in the wood create this rustic look. We enhance these features even further with our unique staining method, and we will never send out a table if we wouldn't want ourselves. They are imperfectly perfect, and that's the way we like them. The legs fold flat underneath the table for easy transport and storage. The table is uniquely designed so you can fit 10 chairs around the table. For large events where you need to place tables in long lines, you can still sit 4 guests on each side to make an 8-seater table. This table is also available stained or unstained. Let me show you how the folding mechanism works. Read more about these tables and other products on our website rusticlivingplus.com.au.